Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you all the smartphone functions in GORENJE Dryer DPNA. So the first button is for a drying assist, so you can set the drying process. It's a fit to your type of clothes. The next one, you can enable the dry lock or disable it, of course. Now we can go to the device settings. As you can see, now we can manage the notifications and open the appliance settings to change the volume or refresh the program list. You can also unpair your device here. You can also share your device or open the manual. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.